Action.
Did I do that right?
Yeah, I think you did it right.
It's fucking corny. Today we are going to make kyowa. I don't speak Japanese like that. All right, we're gonna make some Japanese diluted eggs. My stomach's like, give me some of them eggs. And I'm like, dude, it's not even cooked yet. Like, chill the fuck out. So the first thing that we're gonna put into this deviled egg concoction is Japanese mayonnaise. They call this QP. How do you spell that? All right, so this is called Ponzu sauce. In normal deviled eggs, I know that you put, hold on, holy shit, hold on. Aren't you supposed to put the eggs in first and then have it boil? You know what, screw this. We're just gonna put these eggs inside here. If they crack, oh well. This is just a test. So boom, I got 6 eggs in the boiler. I'm gonna start this fire again. Maximum temperature. I'm gonna put some more water on top of this too. So we got the eggs going. We're gonna set the timer for about 4 minutes because the water's already too hot. All right, set timer for 4 minutes. Set timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, starting now.
Man, we have relationship problems sometimes. All right, so we're gonna wait 4 minutes. Once that timer goes off, we'll cut back into the scene.
We're rolling.
B-roll ready?
We're not rolling yet.
Super Bowl Sunday is happening this week, so we decided to make this quick video of these Japanese style deviled eggs. Yeah, so got some green scallions here just for the visual aspects to make it look pretty. But in the meantime, I'm going to push this to the side and sharpen my knife so we can get this nice and sharp. All right, so boom, back goes the chopping block. I also got one of these. What are these?
That's a whisk.
A whisk, yes. So I also got a whisk. What we're gonna do is once the eggs come out of this little pot here, we're gonna place them on here, cut them in half, put all the egg yolks inside this plowl and beat it with a whisk.
That's not wrong.
That's not wrong?
No, just the word beat it with a whisk kind of scratched a weird itch. But anyway.
I'm too old for this shit. All right, so I got this little bowl here. I'm gonna use this bowl to add the green onions to scallions. All right, so I'm gonna chop it. And don't judge me on my chopping either. It's leaving the premises. Hey, get your ass back in there, man. Where are you going? My dog's over here just like staring me down. She really wants some of this. All right. How much more time on the timer? How much more time left on the timer?
You have 10 seconds left on your 10-minute timer.
Well, it looks like it's done. All right, so I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna pull out an egg and not with my fingers. All right, so I'm gonna start off with this kind of jacked up egg here. This thing is freaking nasty looking. Like, here, check this out. What the hell is that? It's like an alien egg. You guys see that? It's gross. At first you gotta crack it open, right? It's really hot, so I'm not gonna do that thing where you like, you know, rip holes on these sides and just blow into it. No, that's not gonna happen.
You're supposed to put it in ice water.
Ow, oh shit. We'll take another 5-minute break and we'll be right back after these commercials. All right, so, okay guys, I have brought the predator egg or the alien egg out of the cold water and we're going to unwrap it. What is that word? When you undo an eggshell? Is there a word for that? We should make something up. Well, we're rubbing it down. So these are some of the movements you got to do to unleash the soft insides of the egg. We'll call it egg shedding. Shedding like a reptile. chickens aren't reptiles, but they were existent back in the prehistoric days. I never paid attention in history class.
Did you just call dinosaurs chickens?
All right, so let's get this going, guys. I'm sorry, it kind of got off track. All right, so we're gonna test to make sure that this egg is cooked all right in the center. Boom. It's good, guys. It's good. Houston, we have successfully finished our objective. Okay. Can I feed dogs egg whites?
Egg whites are not considered poisonous to dogs.
But
However, egg white meats still contain ingredients that are individually toxic to dogs.
all right, guys, this is taking way too long. So we're gonna wrap this up and we're gonna cut back into us making the actual egg itself. So it's time for the shedding process. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
All right, so we got the yellow yolk pulled out of here and placed into this plowl. Okay, so, all right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is add the cutie pie mayo. QP. This is a Japanese mayonnaise, okay? You can never be wrong with too much mayonnaise. And then we're gonna put in some of this Ponzu sauce, 1 teaspoon. And a half a teaspoon of wasabi. Boom. All right, so let's go ahead and mix this up. All right, I've made these eggs very yolky and pasty. So the next thing we need to do is add it on top of these egg whites. All right, guys, so everything is prepared now. We have the chopped up scallions, we have the halved egg whites, and the beaten egg yolk with all the Japanese dressings. All right, time to make it look pretty. Let's get it. I'm not really gonna make it look pretty. It's gonna look ugly as hell, because it's all gonna end up in the same place, the stomach.
That's the best part, bro.
The egg yolk, it's super fluffy.
Lovely.
Fluffy, oui oui. It's delicious. I would eat this every freaking day. This is actually really freaking good. All right, so let's start putting our little red peppers. The Shichimi Togarashi. Not too much, just a little bit, just to make it look a little pretty. And then this is gonna go inside a blog. Just kidding. The green onions. Make it rain on them green onions. I mean, on them eggs. Make it rain on these eggs. All right, Tyler, are you ready to try this?
Absolutely, Jonathan.
Nice.
I'd love nothing more than to try these awesome deviled eggs. Once again, Japanese deviled eggs. What a treat today. What a treat for your Super Bowl Sunday. This is going to be fantastic. Cannot wait. Let's dive into it.
Nice. All right.
All right.
Well, enjoy.
Oh man.
Hey, try it without the green onions first.
These
I wanna
two.
know the difference.
So
Yeah.
so you grab one too. You grab one too.
I grab one too.
Yep. We got to go at the same time.
All right. Hey, whoa, hold on.
I'm smelling.
As they say in Japan, kanpai.
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 It smells good. Whoa. That's really good. Holy crap. Oh my God. That's way better than I thought it was going to taste. I'm not a big deviled egg guy,
Really?
but this,
It works. All right, guys. So, as I say in that other YouTube channel, does it work? Yes, it does.
Wow.
Introducing Japanese deviled eggs. Well, I'm gonna keep eating this.
Yeah,
It's so-
these are going to be gone in a few seconds. Make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, click the featured videos everywhere. Look at the channel. This video is brought to you by Thumb Brand. Get a website today. Super
affordable.
Have a good night, everybody, and have a great Super Bowl Sunday. These are fucking good. Woo! These are good. I like these. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about these. I really like these. I can't wait for Jenny to try one of these.
I told you it's good, man.
Oh.